At first, normally the memory slots are colored differently, and the modules are placed in intervalled slots that allow to optimally combine these paired modules, binomials. Meanwhile, there is only one correct way of placing them that avoid errors, and they also have a fastening system that anchors the module when I'm placing, detaining the module on the base plate. Later, with the motherboard, we always include a small metal plate that we will have to fit into the box before putting the motherboard in it. It serves to identify the connectors on the back of the computer, to which then we will connect all kinds of peripherals. Once this is done, we can introduce the plate with the processor and the memory already mounted in the box. For this, it is sufficient to carefully insert the small metal plate into the box and make it coincide with both the insert of the outlets and the holes that exist in the box, and that align perfectly with the holes in the plate itself. By doing so, we can screw the base plate to the box and fix it, so that it does not move when we then move the equipment or balance in it any position. Cables is always connected, the one that fits the board, and from there it will be enough to connect the box in the lower part. In other times, the normal thing was to put them up, and start connecting the modular cables for the SATA units and the graphics card, plus another molex for the fans. In the PC boxes, there are usually specific buys for the storage units, but in our case, we have been using the 3.5 inches one. The traditional 3 TB hard drive was perfectly adjusted, but the SSD is 2.5 inches, and it would have been advisable to purchase an adapter tray, which would be purchased separately, for a better grip. Even so, it is possible to screw to fix this unit to one of the sides of that bay for the storage units.